Hello, sweet blooms. We are back with a new video. Let me tell you something I wish someone had told me sooner. Sometimes, the reason your skin isn't glowing is you. I know, harsh. But it's not because you're lazy or don't care. It's because you're doing everything you've been told, and it's still not working. So today, we're going to talk about the skincare mistakes you never realized were messing things up. And trust me, these are the things no one talks about on the product label. Let's start with a classic: overwashing your face. I know it sounds like more washing should mean cleaner skin, but too much can strip away your skin's natural oils. When that happens, your skin panics and produces even more oil, clogging your pores and triggering breakouts. The fix? Wash your face just twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed, with a gentle, non-stripping cleanser. Next up, the sunscreen mistake. Yep, skipping SPF. Even on cloudy days, or if you're just chilling indoors, UV rays can still reach your skin through windows. And that sun damage can lead to dark spots, acne scars, and early aging. You don't want that. Make sunscreen your non-negotiable. At least SPF 30 every single day. Now, let's talk about product overload. Trying 10 new products all at once might feel like you're leveling up your routine, but your skin can freak out when overloaded with actives like retinol, vitamin C, or acids. The result? Irritation, dryness, and, yep, more breakouts. Instead, stick to a simple routine: gentle cleanser, lightweight moisturizer, and SPF. Add treatments slowly and one at a time. All right, this one's tough. Picking pimples. We've all done it. But when you squeeze or pick, you risk scarring and spreading bacteria. That one tiny zit? Now it's an angry breakout. Use a targeted spot treatment instead and let it heal naturally. Your future self will thank you. This next mistake is a skincare sin: sleeping with makeup on. I know the bed looks extra cozy after a long day, but don't skip removing your makeup. Leftover foundation and mascara clog your pores and block your skin's overnight healing process. Just take a couple of minutes to cleanse. It makes a massive difference. Let's not forget the inside-out part of skincare: your diet. Too much sugar, greasy snacks, or dairy can show up as breakouts. Start adding more fruits, veggies, and water to your day. Glowing skin really does start from within. Oh, and here's a big myth: oily skin doesn't need moisturizer. Wrong. When you skip moisturizing, your skin actually gets oilier trying to stay hydrated. Choose an oil-free, lightweight moisturizer that balances your skin without clogging your pores. Another huge one: impatience. If you're constantly switching routines because you're not seeing instant results, you're just confusing your skin. Most products need at least 4 to 6 weeks to show real results. Be patient. Let your skin breathe and adjust. And finally, bacteria buildup. Your phone screen, makeup brushes, pillowcases, they're all secretly sabotaging your skin. Wipe down your phone, clean your brushes weekly, and change your pillowcases often to avoid breakouts. Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Just a few smart changes and a lot of patience can lead to real, lasting results. Thanks for watching, sweet blooms. If you learned something new today, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more self-care and beauty tips. See you in the next one. Stay blooming.